is on computational modeling. This is the one of the program under strategy knowledge. If this problem is like this, then you know which technique to use. We have some expertise. And again, I have to stress that we are looking at techniques, because when you look at them, we know already. So them can be in our keyword identifier already.
Inside the language platform, we need methodological techniques. Yeah, I put it in. I did not mention in detail yet what technique, because it depends on what. Maybe later when I start writing, really I start putting some names. Once you have that, so we kept the temporary place the files, and we give for the annotation. Here again, we give to two different communities, language and native speaker, to annotate. Okay. Once you have that, how? Because this is under resource languages. How are you going to say this is the correct annotation? Meaning this sound is really not
Okay. What I did, the next slides onwards, there are lots of points like boxes. Okay, we have summarized it to 4 main. If you work on, for example, semantic representation, or my work, multivariate statistical methods, I can apply it to face recognition, I can apply it to game recognition, I can apply it to all sorts of recognition.
This is the roadmap, okay, when we look into that. So, Dr. Anaibo and Dr. Jessie have looked into this part. Alright, and here is what I will talk about.
We have this one, but there are others in different, using different forms of language. So somewhere here,
because we are looking at the provenance, okay? So we capture those sources just now according to provenance representation. Okay, so we have protocols to capture, recording, storing, and relating.
We have got text, speech, image, very similar to this, and whatever features we extract, information we gather, it will then be translated into some common representation, and on top of that common representation, we will look at knowledge management techniques that will exploit the knowledge, and we will apply it to applications such as enterprise information strategy. Right.
I want to start with, before I proceed with the roadmap, I want to share with us the aim of the group, so that it looks like we want to go to certain destinations. So the main aim of this group is to formulate or new or improve current techniques, tools and methodologies. So that is the main concern in the group, techniques, tools and methodology related to the software engineering environments toward the cost-effective software process and software. In order to come out with a proper requirements, we need I put this one outside of our boundary, because it's related to the domain, like sociology and so on, which contribute to the states and also the domain requirement.
There is actually more or less from a, I guess you can consider from a computer science or IT perspective, that we are actually looking at what the people are doing with technology or wanting to do. I think not much with technology, but in terms of the tasks. And this, in terms of the behavior, actually does influence, and then these things relating to like culture, attitudes and values and all that. When you actually do the development, you also need to, in some sense, look at what are the things that needs to be done from a technology perspective. You also need to see how the technology is going to be used. So say for example, we actually tried the tablets does work with the remote communities. They do not need to learn how to use the mouse, how to use the keyboard.